In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage CRM in Monday.com fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you streamline your CRM processes and maximize efficiency. Let's dive into the first step. When setting up your CRM in Monday.com, you have the choice of using a pre-designed CRM template or building a custom board. The templates can be incredibly convenient, as they provide a solid foundation, complete with preset columns and features tailored for CRM management. However, if your business requires a more personalized approach, you have the flexibility to create a custom board. This allows you to design each element to align perfectly with your unique business needs, giving you full control over its structure. Next, you'll want to add columns tailored to capture essential customer information. Key columns to include are for contact info, stage, deal size, and follow-up actions. The contact information column is the starting point, housing the necessary details about your client such as email and phone number. The stage column is crucial for managing your sales pipeline effectively, as it tracks where each contact is in the sales cycle. You'll also want to have a column for deal size, which will assist you in prioritizing leads and managing sales expectations. Finally, the follow-up column plays a critical role in ensuring that no customer is left unattended. Keeping track of follow-up dates helps maintain relations and pushes potential deals toward closure. As we move on to the next step, it's time to harness the power of automations within Monday.com. Automations can significantly reduce manual tasks by setting up reminders and updates to keep your workflow dynamic and responsive. These can be configured to send notifications when a deal reaches a certain stage or when it's time to follow up with a lead. Automations ensure that tasks aren't forgotten and help keep your team on track, saving time and reducing the risk of human error. Lastly, an essential feature for managing your CRM is the ability to filter by stage. This function allows you to efficiently assess your progress and identify any bottlenecks in your sales pipeline. By applying filters, you can focus on specific stages, enabling you to allocate resources and efforts where they are most needed, thus facilitating a smoother sales process. This visibility is crucial in managing your team's workload and enhancing performance across the board. Implementing these steps effectively will empower your team to manage your customer relationships with greater ease and efficiency. Remember, the key is to keep your CRM system flexible and aligned with your business processes. With Monday.com, you're equipped with the tools needed